Hello guys! Are you still having trouble buying masks for protecting yourself? Cannot find anywhere to get it? Give me 5 minutes, I'll show you how to make a face mask at home in 8 steps. And I'm very sure it's the easiest way that even a baby can do it. So let's begin. Here are the materials we will use. Step 1. Put the kitchen duster on the napkin. Please be in the middle. Step 2. Fix the top and the bottom of the mask by cutting the double-sided tape vertically and gluing it onto the napkin. Then folding it until it can touch the edge of the kitchen duster. Finally, fasten them with the double-sided tape and fold again. Step 3. Repeat step 2 once again. Step 4. Put a twister tie into the top side of the mask. Then bend it as step 2, which will make the twister tie invisible and can be used for fixing our nose. Until now, we have half done it. Step 5 is making pleats by folding the mask in a different layer 3-4 times. During this process, we need to use clips to keep it in a good shape. Okay, here is the surface. Step 6. Taping it with the double-sided tape. Here's only a little detail you need to notice, which is to put the rubber band close to the tape, not on it, so that it will be more convenient to wear. Step 7. Fasten the edge with the normal adhesive tip. Then repeat it on the other side. We've almost done it. The last step is making a knot in the rubber band. After setting the size, we will cut the rest part, then hiding the knot into the mask, which makes a perfect appearance. Do it once again on another side. Done! What a wonderful work, isn't it? Then open it slowly and try to put it on. Trust me, you won't feel anything uncomfortable. Protect yourself and the important people for you. Take action right now.